A new report about the homeless situation in Portland shows some major progress in how the city is tackling the issue, but there is still room for improvement. News Center Maine's Alec Haskell takes a look.
The report highlights what the city did well with its handling of the homelessness crisis this past year, as well as where it can make improvements in its responses this year. According to the report, 162 people were placed into housing last year, and the city's Housing Services Center served 645 people. The average length of their stay was around 29 nights. Portland's Interim Director of Health and Human Services, Shaza Stevenson, says one main takeaway from this report is that those experiencing chronic homelessness tend to live at encampments and were the most difficult to move into a form of shelter. Stevenson says during outreach efforts, 90% of people living at the Harborview encampment, which was swept in January, said they were hesitant about taking beds at the city's Homeless Services Center. They said their biggest barriers were loss of autonomy, transportation, and concerns about storage. I asked Stevenson how she feels about handling the unhoused situation so far this year.
I feel good. I think we really need to do more in terms of following the data. We've started a lot here and got a lot in our perspective, but I think there's room to grow there. I think it's really going to be on us to try again to get to know this population more in depth. I think that's integral to be able to deliver valuable, meaningful services to them and really hopefully make a difference.
Stevenson adds HHS is preparing to launch the HOPE program. The goal is to stably house 45 households throughout the course of the year. In Portland, Alex Haskell, News Center, Maine.